Oh, sh Oh my God, is that DJ DeFay?
Hey, I get it crunk, I get it wide, I get the party lit outside. I get it crunk, I get it wide, I get the party lit outside. I get it crunk, I get it wide, I get the party lit outside.
It's your boy, Nehemiah. Oh, whoa. It's your boy, Nehemiah. Back again with another video. And today, I'm gonna be doing a jelly fruit video. A DIY jelly fruit video, you know? Because I'm super bored. And I've been on TikTok lately and I've seen those videos. They look so satisfying. So why not just make a DIY one, you know? So let's just get into it, you know? What's good, guys? So, you see me right there, you know, like, showing you what I'm doing, you know? I'm about to make some jelly fruits and stuff, you know? So, first you need a pan. Add some water. You know? You see those camera skills? You have to boil it and stuff, you know? Why do I keep on saying, you know, like Naruto? Boil it, and it's boiled. Boom. Alright. So, I'm just showing off my camera skills. Yeah, it's boiled. I don't know why I was using a cup when I could have poured it, but I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing. I don't know what I was doing up. I don't know. I just wanted to look neater. I don't know, but that looks terrible. Alright. See, I was about to say, so you pour it in, but I'm using a small little spoon cup looking thing. Alright, you do that. Boom. I just poured it. Pour it in a cup, you know, and then pour it in this bowl. I poured it in the bowl. And then, this is where the magic happens. I poured the jello. Ooh. See that stuff? Alright, you mix it. Mix it. Bro. I've been on TikTok lately a lot, bro. Like, every day, bro. You guys should just download TikTok and YouTube would be boring. Alright. I was just trying to entertain you guys while I'm stirring because that's sort of boring. You need to add some ice to cool it down a little bit so the freezing process will be quicker. Alright. You stir it up. Bro. My name is Chef Stein. I should change my YouTube name to Chef Stein. I'm just joking. Put, what's it called? That clear wrap, saran wrap, I think. Put it in the freezer. And then I will see you in the next clip. Whoa. So, it's, the jello is jello. Alright guys, I'm back. So, it's been like a couple hours since I like, had the jello in the freezer, so you have to get some saran wrap and stuff. Put the jello inside, and then you do that. I don't know how to explain it, dude. Why did I just say it like that? I don't know how to explain it, bro. You let it down. The next one, bro. Same thing. Alright. I'll just see you in the next clip, bro. Guys, I'm done making the jelly fruit, whatever these are called. So I'm about to like eat them. Like, have you ever seen on TikTok and stuff like how like he eats it and stuff? I'm about to try that. Hold on, let me put the headband on though to make me look cooler. I don't know, make me look like a ninja. Alright, let's try one. Let's try one. Oh yeah, my jelly fruits. Sharing is caring, but still, we're about to do this, John. 3. Alright, and no homo. This is not weird at all. And you should try this at home. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was satisfying. That was satisfying, bro. Come on. Alright, one more. Let's do 2 more. 3 more. Alright, here's another one, bro. Gang. Oh! The last one is gonna be a surprise. It's like crazy. Alright, let's try this one. 3. That was fire. Alright. This one, it's the last one, bruh. I think this is the biggest jelly fruit in the whole world. I never seen a jelly fruit this big, and we're about to try this, alright? Oh, shoot, bro. Alright. 3. Ooh, it's big. I feel like I'm gonna choke or something. No, that's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. Freak. I didn't mean it that way. Like, it was like, you know, like how, no homo. No homo. Okay, but let's try this. Alright, 3, 2, 1. It can't fit. Oh, no homo. Gay. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. What is that? What is this? Alright. Let's go. I finished this stuff. Boom. Alright. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I might do real, like, don't you know, like, the real jelly fruits? I might try to get those and do a video about it. So if you guys like this video, like it and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.